Hey, I'm Evan, Head of Engineering for RMSTATOR. Thanks for taking a look at our products. I want to talk to you a little bit about our CDI boxes. So your CDI is your ignition system, your capacitive discharge ignition. It's your digital ignition controller for your ATV or motorcycle or scooter or whatever you have there. It's an important part because it is directly responsible for the timing and firing of your ignition coil and therefore your spark plug. So this thing has to be working well. We make direct replacement CDI boxes for lots of applications, so hopefully you're checking one of those out. For many applications, we make what we call a DC conversion, which is what this is. This is for a Kawasaki KLR 650. Point of this is to bypass a coil on the stator that powered the original ignition, and instead we make it easy to plug in and power directly off of your battery. That lets you bypass a failure-prone coil on the stator from killing your ignition system. Also improves cold starts because it's no longer RPM dependent to get a good spark, and great idling, lots of performance benefits as well as reliability. This is just another example of different types of CDI. This is a combined replacement for a Ducati ignition, a combined CDI and coil unit, with dual output coil for Ski-Doos, along with the RER push button reverse system that Ski-Doo used. So we build all types of CDI boxes. We've also developed our own CDI testing equipment that nobody else has available. We fully design, profile our CDI boxes, compare them against an OEM, and make sure they're going to work perfectly on your machine so you can buy with confidence. 2-year warranty on these, and we're really happy to get them in your hands and help you get back on the road.